There's my camera picking that up. Weather has been amazing past 10 days, week or so. Been really cold but really dry. And now it looks amazing snow, doesn't it? Just a pain in the neck to try to get around it. I think I'm pleased to see it. I don't know if I believe much about global warming and CO2 and all that type of thing. However, I'm fairly convinced when I was younger we had a lot more snow than we get now. Is that true? Got no statistics or data to back that one up with even. But let's see how it gets on. Camera's not picking up it. That could possibly mean another day off tomorrow, couldn't it? One thing I would say about snow, if you don't have to drive about in it, don't drive about in it. Stay put. Alrighty. I wonder will this pan out? Will it lie? Are we going to have snow? Or is this just a blimp? An outlier? Who knows? It's coming down quite hard now. Anyway, thank you for spending 2 minutes with me in my back garden, admiring the wonders of nature. Thank you all for watching. Bye.